Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be show you how can you fix low sound issue on calls in iPhone. So guys, if you are facing this problem while calling and you don't know that how can you fix this problem, so guys, in this video I'm going to be show you how can you fix it. So guys, let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to just simply check your call volume. Make sure that your call volume is not increase. So guys, simply increase your call volume. Now after that, go back to your home screen, and after that check your speaker and microphone. So guys, if there have any dust, then simply remove it with a soft brush and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply restart your device for one time. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve any issue. To do this guys, simply open settings, scroll to below, then tap on general, scroll to below, then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone to 15 to 20 seconds later, and after that open your device again and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply check software update. Make sure that you are using updated version of your iPhone. If there are any update, then simply update it first and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then I will suggest you to do reset all settings. To do this guys, simply go back, scroll below, then here you can see guys, transfer or reset iPhone. Tap here, tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your all setting for one time, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys, hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.